Go home happy with the 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. This stylish Jetta offers an impressive suite of amenities, spirited performance, and the safety features you need to feel confident on every journey. It's loaded with common sense, yet makes you feel sensational. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, intermittent wipers, traction control, passenger vanity mirror. Enjoy the driving satisfaction you deserve. This Jetta is waiting for you. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.